Alright guys, today I will be doing my girlfriend's makeup voiceover, and first of all we are starting with the eyebrows. As you can see, she has a pencil and she is coloring in the eyebrows is what I see, because she ain't got no eyebrows. I'm sorry babe. So yeah, so she's working on the right one and then just blending it. Blend. Making it extra long, giving it some volume. Now she's using the okay, looking good so far. And now she is, I'm not sure what she's doing right now. I guess she's defining the eyebrows so that they look more straight, I'm guessing, with a bit of makeup material. Okay, so she puts it underneath, you know, some, I don't know if that's called eyeshadow. No, that's not an eyeshadow. Yeah, she's just making the eyebrows look better. Yeah, so far so good. It's looking crisp. Okie dokie. Okay, just using the brush to kind of brush it in, make it look natural as it gets. And a little bit of the pencil, just, you know, for extra detail. And then, yeah, basically did the same thing on the left side. And so now she is, I don't know what that is, but she's gonna brush it in, some blem to blemish it. Okay. Yeah, just more blending, basically changing her skin tone, really. You know, hey, you feeling the vibe? Okay. And now is for some extra, adding her own style, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, well, doing her thing. Okay, now it is time for the color palettes, and still working on the eyes. Yeah, so just basically adding a little bit of something. I don't know. I don't really know what that is. Is that eyeshadow? I don't know. Yeah, I guess like half of this video is just on the eyes. Now she's adding a little white to it. And just more working on the eyes. I mean, yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if the whole video is just the eyes, I guess. Yeah, so just, it was kind of red before and then it went to white and now more red. I don't understand. I don't know what kind of Yeah, so more colors just being added to the face. And now it's just kind of doing her thing. Dope. With the brush, so it's just kind of, yeah, just kind of blending it in, make it look more natural with the blending. They are blending, that kind of thing, I'm guessing. Not sure. And now more, so I guess it turned out to be orange looking. Alright, ooh, got a little bit under her nose, kind of. Just gonna clean that up, and then now she's still working on the eyes. Now she's adding just a little tint of white. And now she's adding a little bit more makeup under her eyes. Oh. Yeah, so I guess when she was blushing in the first time all over her face, I'm not sure what that was. I guess this is just more to make it look more natural? I don't know, I keep saying natural, but it's probably not. This is far from natural. This is just basically giving her skin, or should I say her face, more definitions? I don't know if that's a thing. And okay, so now she's just blushing it in, kind of, you know, doing good. Just more makeup under the eyes. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, I guess. I really don't. This is not my area of expertise, but yeah, so she's just adding more makeup on top of her makeup. Alright, looking good. So now it's just, oh, I don't know what that is. So it's like a pencil, and then she's kind of like drawing in the, I don't know. I'm lost. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, because, you know, symmetry is very important. So what you do to one side, you gotta do to the other, otherwise you look like a crackhead. Alright, you're doing a good job. Okay, so just more, and I'm making it, let's get blushing it in. I don't know if that's a word, but, you know, just I'll add just more blending and more, you know, creating a definition. Alright. Okay, so now she's adding lipstick on her face. I'm not sure what that was. A little bit of red. It's just more makeup on makeup. Okay. Alright, so now she's gonna add more stuff under the eyes. You know, just what seems to be like some finishing touch. Okay, just more of more. Okay, more eye stuff, you know, creating an illusion of stuff that isn't there. I don't know. Looking good though. Okay, so it's just okay, now some stuff for the lip. Now I don't know what that is. It's just adding some color to her lip, you know. And I feel the vibe. Okay, you know, looking good. The lip is all shiny, and just a little bit of touching on the cheekbones. You know, beebity bobbity boo. There you go. Stunning final look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Probably not, but I tried my best.